If you didn't know, Weligama is the best beach in Sri Lanka to learn surf. It has a long and sandy beach which makes it pretty safe compared to other beaches that have the reef. I wanted to try surfing in Sri Lanka, so we returned to Weligama for a Workaway experience with Freedom Surf School. Our task was to create content about what they do every day at the beach, in the water and for the Weligama community. And every Friday they get together with other hostels and surf schools and do a beach cleaning. But before showing the beach cleaning days, here are some clips about my little experience with surfing at Freedom Surf School. Freedom Surf School provided us with gloves and bags so we could split all the rubbish in recycled things and mixed things.
Hello guys, as you can see we are collecting some rubbish from the beach. We are here in Weligama, Sri Lanka, and we have many other guys collecting glass. They are very nice.
They are coming from Hang Time, Spindrift, Hostel.
Yeah, they are from everywhere, yeah. In this heat they are here and working very hard to make the beach very nice and clean again.
Yeah, I need to make sure I pick up some trash as well, not just recording.
These clips speak for themselves and there is no need to explain why we should keep the oceans and the environment free from plastic and rubbish. But if you haven't watched it, we highly recommend you the documentary Seaspiracy, which speaks about the biggest threat our oceans are facing right now.
So everyone came at Freedom Surf School, 3 different hostels from Weligama, and we are done. We're just finishing the last bag. So much crap.